Fantastic. All right. So people talking about the 3commas. And they ask me, how do we go about 3commas? Now, this 3commas platform practically for trading. Now, your link was given to you, right? So a link was given to you. Now you copy the link and paste on your own browser or wherever for you to register. When you register for the first time, it's free. Try it free, start free trial. So it's going to be a start free trial. Then click on start free trials. So to sign up, you have to put your email, create a password, repeat it. All right. And I'm not a robot, and click on sign up. So send a link to your mail to confirm. You go to there and then they confirm. The next you do is to ensure you go to your Binance. Okay. Okay, I think I have a network issue here. So it's to go to your Binance. So let's say this is your Binance. So first of all, you go to your Binance and go to your profile picture. Then next you go to API management. So go to API management, very simple. So click on create API. It's going to ask you to label it. You can just say Binance, right? Binance 3commas. You can use any appellation, never mind to mine. So Binance 3commas. It's going to ask you to generate code, right? So of course you need to send the code to your email and to whatever. And then once that is done, then it shows some other issues, some other stuff, right? I used this again for Endotech before. So now when you come up and you copy all this code, it will pop up and show you two things like this: app API key and secret key. Listen, copy this secret key and paste somewhere, because when you close this place and log in and open just like this, it's asterisk you're going to see. It's not going to show you the key. It's called this is secret. So copy it and save somewhere, copy this and save somewhere. Now, these are the two guys you need. Now, when you have it, the next you go, if you want to use that Binance to trade both spot and future, ensure that you first open your future wallet to make sure that it's enabled. Then the next is that you want to come back here and click that edit restriction I did. Then you're going to say, hey, you know what? Click on enable spot and margin trading. Don't click enable withdrawal. Don't do that. Then enable margin, loan, blah, blah, maybe days, no. Enable European, no. So enable future trading. Where's future? Okay, how can I find future here? Okay, so you have to check, you will see future, and then you enable. Then the next you do is to click on save. So permission expire 90 days, no problem. Then it's asking you to put your security code. Once that is done, congratulations. Then go to your 3commas. Then next you go to your 3commas. You want to go to your dashboard, of course. So go to your dashboard. Now click on portfolio. Right, so click on portfolio. So it show you this. But then you click on portfolio, show you different platform. FTX, Binance, Bybit, Bitress, right? Derabit for option trading, Bitress, okay, Binance Future, blah, 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 blah. Right, Binance US, Bitstamp, Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Are you serious? Come on. Are you serious? I never knew this. So any swap you want to do, you can use your 3commas to do it. On DEX, come on, this is crazy. I'm going to check that. So I have to, wow, this is serious. You just to put your Binance address, connect. 3commas is not playing at all. Why don't they put MetaMask? Okay, so this will have put MetaMask. So you have Bybit Sport, Bybit Perpetual, Crypto.com, Ethereum wallet. Oh, are you meaning? And you telling me I can just, okay, I've not explored this anyway. It's been a while, so I didn't even connect anything. So Gate.io, FTS US. Oh, FTS now have US. Okay, good. Gate.io, Coinbase, Gemini, Huobi, Kraken. All right, KuCoin, OKX, Tron Wallet. Serious. Okay, so all of that. So this Binance you're using, then you copy say easy direct. It will ask you to log into or to log in and then synchronized. No, I have already created API. So you copy the API, for instance, the one you've copied here. So let's say all of these were copied. So you're going to paste the API. Then remember the secrets when you paste it. Don't miss them. Then don't interchange them. Then you click connect. Simple, you're done. Then your account is connected. Once your account is connected, it synchronizes and show you the available balance you have in your wallet. Okay, very simple. And then in your Binance, then you're good to go. Two things. You now want to use your DCA bot, right? And then smart trade. Now, all of these are required to learn. You need to learn basic things, and that's what we do in Plan B. So you want to be part of it, you can go to my YouTube and you see a lot of videos I've done about how to use the 3commas bot. Now, if you look at it, I use this to scalp and accumulate coins I love. So I do not enter trade on coins I don't want to accumulate. You can see now LRC, Cardano, Solana, Key, Matic, BNB, other Ethereum, Bitcoin, right? Zilliqa, BSW, right? Zilliqa, DAC, True, GMR, GST. Those are the coins, just accumulating them. I do not have enough energy to follow up and down. If you look at it, if I open it now, you see that it has been trading. Then when it made profit, yada, 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 like that. Now you can see trade has still opened, right? On the 14th, the last time it made some profit, and then it continued on and on and on. So it's just for me to set my strategy and my bot continue to trade, okay? So you do not need to disturb myself. So just accumulating strategically for me. So that's why I trade using my robots to trade. And then, but you need to have the knowledge of the market for you to enjoy using robot to trade. You can see my Solana. So it's trading Solana, you can see what was the last day of trading Solana on the 13th. Okay. So doing its own. So just like that. So accumulating and accumulating and accumulating as you wanted. The same thing on Ethereum, BNB. Okay, look at Key. This is Key. So Key was have been a while, right? Stop entering trade for Key. It's been a while. Okay, see. So look at Matic. Yeah, Matic. Okay, Matic, littered here and there. Okay, see Matic trading. Okay, last day, 14th. Oh, good. Okay, so that's what to do. Using your 3commas is so sweet, is so simple. Then just to understand what exactly are you looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, of course you can misbehave. So BNB. Now this does not stop me to buy coin. All right, and just take and keep. Okay, so that's BNB for you. So just continue to trade in that order. So 3commas help you to leverage and then allow you to be doing what you're doing, and you're opening your trade. So the next thing I'm going to show to you is a trading view. So I give you a link. All you do to the link is that you paste the link, for instance. Look at it. Let's see. This is trading view. All right. All right. This is trading view. Refer a friend. Copy the link. So here the link. And then you're given the link and then you click to enter. Okay. So this I'm going to show in the next episode. Okay. I'm going to show the next episode. So just show you the 3commas and how to use the 3commas. And then I don't want this trading to be too bogus, and that's why I have to cut it, as it were. Okay. So let's stop that here. Yeah. So you want to know how to use it, then follow the next one on how to use TradingView. Okay.